Dear friends, today I'm going to introduce you with one very special book available at my home, and that is World Atlas. This one book is very special, and I think all of us should have this sort of book in our home. Normally, we have glue in our house, which we can see there. It's good for knowledge purpose, but this one book can create and increase the love and affection for the nature. And here, this opens up World Atlas Clear's Digest Edition with amazing, fantastic glimpses of the nature. We must read it, we must use it to get